Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Noah. If you are new here today, welcome to my videos. So I am in Houston, Texas. I'm so excited. This is basically gonna be like my first vlog in Houston, which is crazy. I've been here for 3 weeks, but we had the Texas storm and all that, so that's all out of the way, and now we can get back to our regular lives. So I'll be vlogging today. I'm really excited. I'm gonna share with you guys what I need for my apartment. This is gonna be like an apartment decor look for a video. Okay, so one of the things I really want is more plants. I think my first stop today will be a nursery in Houston, which I have not been to any yet, so I'm really excited about that. I've been Googling a few, so I'm not even sure which one I'm gonna go to. I'm gonna kind of plug in. There's two that I've been hearing about. Oh my God, there's this huge bug on my window right now. Look at this. What is that? Is that on the inside or outside? It's like a hornet. Okay, you guys, I think it's outside, so we're safe. Oh, I just can't open my window, I think. Oh my God. There's definitely a lot more bugs in Texas than there is in California, and they're a lot bigger. But anyways, I think I'm going to Google them and see which one's closer and just go to the closer one because they both look really awesome. One is called Cornelius and one is called Buchanan's, I believe. So yeah, we'll see which one I end up at. So I definitely want new plants. And then there's a Hobby Lobby actually right by my house, which I already went to and got a few things for the place. So I will be doing a haul video on all that stuff, but I do want to pick up some plant pots. I have some plants I'll share with you guys. So I have some plants like this one that's not in a cash pot, and this is like a pretty big pot. I believe it's a 10-inch. I measured it the other day, so I need a very large pot for that, but I just feel like it's gonna look a lot better. And then I have some other pots like this one right here. I feel like it's gonna look better with a cash pot and just stuff like that. I also have this shelf right here that's pretty bare. It's not too bad. I just got these yesterday at Target and they're so cute. Got this at Target and I just need some more decor. So if I see any decor, definitely going to get it for this shelf. And then lastly, what I really want is I really want like a bowl here for all this junk, like a catch-all bowl type thing, because this is like a high used traffic area. We walk by here a lot, so we kind of just grab like, you know, hand sanitizer, chapstick, our laundry cards. So I feel like if I have a bowl here, it's just gonna look a lot more cleaner, and I've seen some really cute ones, so I'm hoping I can find some. I also really need hooks for my bathroom, and I need a shower curtain for my second bathroom. So a few things on the list, just little knickknacks, honestly. My apartment's pretty much done, so if you guys do want an apartment tour, make sure you thumbs up this video so that I know, and I'll definitely go ahead and do that for you guys. But let's go shopping. I do want to note that I'm always so nervous when I'm out and filming. I feel like people are gonna judge me, so I'm only gonna take my cell phone. So if I do get any footage, it'll be on that. For that kind of stuff, I just don't want to get in trouble. So I'm always too scared to film in those types of situations. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna go shopping and I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right guys, so I just got here, and of course as soon as I park, the two cars that I'm parked in between decide to get to their cars, and so I have to wait to film. But I honestly have no idea. This place is called Cornelius Nursery and I have no idea like what to expect. I don't even know if they have houseplants, so I may walk right in and out, but it looks pretty large, so we'll see. Probably not gonna film because it is kind of crowded around here, but I will like take photos or something. I don't know, we'll see how I feel, but I'm excited. So just left, kind of a fail. Due to the Texas freeze and everything, like a lot of their plants probably died, and they did tell me they're gonna get more next week, but right now there was like all the shelves were pretty much empty for the house plants. So I'll share with you guys what I got though. So I was pretty happy to find this cute little bunny tail cactus. I haven't seen them anywhere and I just think it was so cute. It was only $3.99. So I thought that was a great price, and I just thought this one was really cute. Also picked up this. They had a ton of mini plants, so even like mini begonias, and they were all the same price for $2.99. No clue what this is, so if you know, please let me know in the comments down below. But it kind of reminded me of either a maidenhair fern or a Hawaiian snowbush, but I don't know because those are rare, so I'll look it up later. But let me know if you guys know what this is. I just thought it was cute. And then I decided to pick up some saucers just because I need them, but I also got this cute little owl pot, and I really like the colors of it, the white and the like beige tan color, and I just thought it would look so cute with the Hawaiian snowbush or whatever it is with this plant, and just thought that would be super cute. So yeah, I picked that up. It was $4.99 for the vase, and yeah, it's pretty cheap, so just figured let me get something. So I'm gonna go to, I believe, Hobby Lobby right now. What else did I need to do? Yeah, I should go to Hobby Lobby unless I'm close to IKEA. I'm gonna look it up and see like where I'm at. So I'll see you guys at my next stop. I just typed in home goods and there was one pretty close to that nursery, so I stopped here. There's a ton of shops around here. There's like a Nordstrom Rack, there's a Carter's, there's even Morton's Steakhouse. This is like a huge mall type plaza, but it's outdoors. It's really, really nice looking. So it's my first time here, so I'm excited. I'm just gonna check out home goods. Maybe I could find a shower curtain here and hooks that I need, and maybe even a bowl. So let's check it out. Alright guys, so I am back home and so excited to share with you guys what I got at Home Goods. You guys saw in the car what I got at the nursery, so I won't show that again. I'm just going to share with you guys some of the stuff I got at Home Goods. Alright, so we got interrupted. Our neighbors are having issues with their plumbing, so they came to look at ours. But anyway, so I don't even know if I showed this one, but it comes with this cute little stand. And it's this really cute cream colored pot. It does have like a very, very slight gold on it, which I'm not a big gold fan, but from far, I mean, I feel like you can't really tell. This one was only $7.99, which I felt like was a great, great price for a stand and a little pot. I want to say this is like a 4-inch. I definitely have some cute plants that will fit in this one. This is so my vibe. So the next pot I got is a like terracotta color almost. Very boho, I feel like, and it looks like this. It's pretty large. This one was $12.99. Love the look of it. If you see close up, it's got like this speckled detailing. It's like a brown almost. It's not even really like a terracotta. It's more like a brown, I would say. Like a reddish brown, if that's a good way to put it. So I'm hoping, I don't know, I'm looking at my plant right now if my ficus will fit in it. Maybe not. Maybe my croton might. So I will take you guys and we'll try it out. We'll see. Boo, it doesn't fit. Let's see if it fits over here. I think it's gonna be too not deep enough. I don't know if I like how you could still see the pot, you know? I don't hate it. It's definitely, I don't know. I'm gonna leave it there for now and think about it. The last pot I got is kind of similar to the first one. It's got that like white and gold. I don't know if they're like supposed to be a set or anything. They kind of look like they could be, but just color wise. But it does have its own cute little legs, and I would say this is like a 6-inch. Hopefully I can find something cute for this. I just love the look of it, and yeah, I couldn't pass it up. I mean, oh, and the price, $12.99. So they were all very, very affordable in my opinion. Hopefully this one will fit my Stiltopicana. Let's see. I think it should. No, it doesn't fit. Oh my god, I'm so bummed. Nothing fits. Ugh, what a bummer. I kind of want a nice pot for this, so maybe I'll try the other one. Let's see. Wow, even this one barely fits. How weird. I definitely didn't know I had such deep pots. I think that looks better. Yeah, I think that looks better over here. We will leave that for now. Hey guys, future Noah here. I just forgot to mention something that I really wanted to talk about in this video, but if you guys are not already following my friend Amaryllis Rivera here on YouTube, she does so many cool like home decor videos, and she does something that I can't do, which is like home organization. Like I suck at that. She's really, really good at it. So if you like these types of home decor style videos, you'll definitely love her channel. Make sure to go subscribe to her, because once she gets to 500 subscribers, we're going to do an Amazon gift card giveaway. And we both really want to do it, so make sure you get her to 500 subscribers. I will leave her channel linked down below. But yeah, I'll let you guys get back into the video. Definitely happy to find those. I did find a few things that I was looking for. I found a shower curtain. I just didn't want to spend a lot of money because this is going to be for my guest bath, and a lot of them were like 20 bucks, $25, and they were really cute, but I just didn't want to spend that much. So this one was $7.99, and it's just plain white with some like ruffled detailing, so I'm sure it'll look good. I will hang that up and see how it looks. What else did I get? Oh, so the last thing I got at Home Goods was this set, and the reason I got these was because I actually ordered this one on Amazon, but when it came, it was so small. So when I saw this, I thought it was the exact same brand. I don't know, they just look pretty similar to me, but it's actually different because this one's like very smooth textured on the inside, and this one's like very rough. I don't know why it's so rough on the inside, because to me, that makes me think, is it not non-stick? But it says that it's non-stick, so I'm not sure. I'm gonna test it out. Hopefully they work out. If not, I don't think you could. I don't know if you could return once you use it, but we'll see. So yeah, that is the end of my little shop with me video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave here today so that you don't miss out on other videos. I will be still going to Hobby Lobby and IKEA maybe tomorrow, so there's still a ton of fun shopping videos if you guys like those. I know I love watching those. Like I literally binge other people's on YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow my Instagram for updates. It is Casa Rose. And with that all being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.